How to fix Netflix, the device is not supported. Hey everybody, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix this issue. So let's just jump right into the video. The first thing you're going to have to do is check if the app is up to date. So for that, you're going to have to head over to your Google Play Store and search for Netflix. Once you search for Netflix, if you see an update button here instead of open, just make sure to update the app. The next step is to open up your settings and check if there are any updates available for your device, because if your phone is not up to date, it might not support Netflix and you might be causing the error. So go ahead and check on software update, click on download and install. And if there are any latest updates available, you're just going to have to update the app or your phone software as well. After doing so, the next step is to go ahead and long press on Netflix, go to app info, and then from here head over to permissions. Make sure all of the permissions are allowed for the app. And then finally go ahead and force stop the app. If the app is running in the background, it will completely stop it. And if you're on the browser version, make sure that your browser supports Netflix and make sure to update the browser to its latest version as well. After doing all of that, just give your phone a quick restart and your Netflix should start working. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.